Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have a brand new palette from Morphe to play with. Yet another one. They just keep coming out with new things and I love it. It is the new Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I gotta put it on pause real quick. I forgot to mention in the video that, as most of you guys know, I do work at Morphe and the palette was actually given to me as part of our gratis, which I'm so thankful for. But also keep in mind that the opinions that I am mentioning are all my own and do not reflect the product or the company at all. I just wanted to put that out there, so let's get back to the video. We're gonna go ahead and open up the palette, get all into it, but before I do, I just wanted to let you guys know, in case you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure that you are following me because I did announce my giveaway on there. So the giveaway is going to be the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Pig Mirror in the color pink. And it is to celebrate hitting 1,000 subscribers here on my YouTube channel. So thank you guys so much for that. I will have the giveaway rules in the description box down below, but I will be announcing the winner on Valentine's Day. So today you're seeing this is the 13th. The winner will be announced on the 14th. So if you do want to enter the giveaway, all the information is going to be linked down below. My Instagram will be linked down below as well, and I will be announcing the winner on my IG stories on Instagram. So make sure that you are following me so you can stay up to date if you enter the giveaway. With all that being said, let's get into the video. So I'm going to open the palette. Ta-da! Let's do a quick little reveal, shall we? I'm so excited to dip into these shades. So it's very, very vibrant, much more vibrant than the original Jaclyn Hill palette, which I have right here. It has been used and abused. This is the palette that I have in my freelance kit when I do makeups. But this is the original one. You do have a lot of warm tones, a lot of shimmers. You have some pops of color here. But in comparison to this one, next to each other, you could see that they are actually completely different. This one's a really pretty colorful palette. And I think I'm ready to get into it and play. Okay, so I don't really know what kind of look I'm going for, but I just know I want it to be soft and pretty and pinky. So I think I'm gonna start with the shade Perfectionist, and I'm just gonna simply pop her in my crease. Ooh, okay, so that's pigment. So I'm kind of depositing it on this outer corner here, pulling it a little bit outward, and then whatever is left, I'll pull it into the crease here. Okay, that's pretty. That's a really pretty transition shade. I kind of just like that in the crease. I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Certified and just pop that on my brow bone. This is just going to, of course, highlight that brow bone for me, but also make sure that my transition shade is nice and blended. I'm going to go ahead and go in with Positivity, which is so cute. Pop that just in the crease. Pretty much the same areas that I've already applied the Perfectionist shade. This is such a pretty, like, softer coral color. I'm going to go back in with my fluffy brush that had the transition shade on there and just soften these edges. So far, it's actually really nice. I'm not having any trouble blending out these shades. Debating if I want to go in with Thick Skin and just kind of darken out the outer corner, or if I just want to start going like maybe burgundy. Let's do Thick Skin and then we can dip into the burgundy. Okay, so I'm taking Thick Skin on a more sort of paddle-shaped brush and just packing this really tightly to my lash line, and I'm bringing it onto the lid slightly, and then I'm going to go ahead and whatever is left over, I'll pack it into that crease and into that Positivity shade that we had just laid down. But I am focusing this directly on the outer corner. I should zoom you guys in. That might be like a smart move to do, you know? Okay, so I actually have a few of the new Jaclyn brushes that she's also coming out with. So I'm gonna go ahead and take JH51, which is, it seems like a really nice packing brush. It's just a nice little flat white top packing brush. And I'm gonna take the shade Ride or Diamonds. Pop that all over my lid. I'm just gonna dig my brush into the, ooh, that's creamy. Okay, dig my brush into the palette. I'm gonna pack on all of that empty space. That's pretty. my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna pack on all of that empty space right here that I didn't touch anything. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. And I'm just going to keep it quite limited on the shimmer. Imagine if you wet the brush. Holy moly. Okay. I'm impressed. I honestly was not expecting this shimmer for some reason to apply that way, because I feel like when you swatch it, it comes off a little differently, but I prefer it actually with this specific brush, I think. Oh, I zoomed you guys out so I could show you the brushes, and then I forgot to zoom you back in. So she actually has another brush here that I'm going to play with, and I think I'm going to use this for the purple. This is the JH46 brush. It's like a nice little dense brush. This is perfect for lower lash, but I'm going to use this today to really focus on building that shadow liner. So I'm going to go back in with Thick Skin. Ooh, this is a good brush. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this brush. Oh wait, was I in the frame? Oh, I always do that. So again, think of it as if you're doing an eyeliner just with the shadow. This has been my new favorite technique, and I'm obsessed. Whatever is left on my brush, I'm just gonna kind of bring it back into that crease area. I think I'm gonna go in and add just like a touch of purple. Let's do Oh Hello, which is this kind of deep burgundy shade here. Just a touch. Like, I don't want to go too overboard because I don't know how pigmented it is. And I'm just going to place this really tight to my lash line. I don't want this to take over the Thick Skin shade because I'm really loving where this is going. Super pretty. And then whatever is left on my brush, I'm just going to pack on this outer corner here. And I'm going to take the brush that I use. This is the, I don't know, it doesn't have a number on it. Oh, Coastal Scents. Holy moly. Oh, do you guys remember Coastal Scents? This is the BR250. Oh my gosh, I've had this brush forever. What the heck? I didn't even know. Okay, well, anyway, I'm going to use her. Oh my god, I dropped the freaking palette. Oh my god, and I got the colors all over my arm. That's okay, we'll figure it out. Oh my god, it's on my jeans. This is quite a situation, and I don't know how to handle it. This literally looks like a bloody murder or something. Let's go ahead and pop on color on our lower lashes. This is going to be the JH52 brush, and it's a tiny little pencil brush. I'm going to go in with Perfectionist, which was our initial transition shade. Pop that on my lower lash line. I'm going to go back in with Thick Skin. I think Thick Skin is actually my, so far, anyway, my favorite color in the whole palette. So pretty. Okay, I'm going to use the E43 by Morphe, which is just a little flat definer brush. And I'm going to pop on that Oh Hello shade, just super tight to my lash line. So I packed that on, and then I'm going to go back in with the little brush that has that Thick Skin color on it, and I'm going to use that just to soften the edge. I'm going to take this liner from Morphe. It's called Bar. It's just a really nice kind of chocolatey brown color. Let's pop on a lash real quick. I feel like we need a lash moment just to kind of really tie together the look. Pop on a little lip, and then we'll be good to go. For my lashes today, I'm using the Flutter 637. Yeah, Flutter 637 lashes. These are gorgeous. We need inner corner highlight. We're gonna go ahead and take the shade I'm In It and use that as our inner corner highlight. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a little more pinky than what I wanted, but it'll do. Alright, you guys, so I quickly popped on a little bit of blush. I popped on a random lip, and this is the final look. So, final thoughts. So far, overall, I am really impressed with the palette, especially with that pressed glitter shade, because I feel like a lot of times with like a pressed glitter or like a super, super shiny kind of metallic foil finish eyeshadow, they do tend to, you'll rub your finger over it and it'll stay pressed into the pan and it won't really pick up. But this one really picked up well with the brush. So I'm very happy with that and I'm very surprised about that. I do want to dip into these sort of colors, maybe in or the colors down here, maybe in another video. Today I just kind of wanted to be random and see what kind of look I could come up with. And I think this is like a cute little Valentine's Day look. So yeah, alright, so I guess this ends the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will catch you in the next one. Bye!